Okay, today we are going to be working on LED strip from a fireplace, electric fireplace. We're going to replace the LEDs. The biggest thing is the LED replacement. Are they the same? Output voltage differences. Let's get a little flux on here. First, we're going to replace one. So let's desolder what we got going on here. Using the solder wick, sucking up all that extra solder. Got some flux on there. Solder looking good. Get the other side. I need a fume extractor soon. I'm not putting this in my face. I got a fan blowing behind me. Keep the fumes out of my face for the most part until I get a fume extractor. I gotta order one. I'll have that. I don't want to be breathing this stuff in. So you might hear me blowing the fumes away from me. Okay. That looks pretty good. It looks like we have to fix a pad here. Let's clean that up, quick peek. Not a problem. Easy fixes. Yep. Let's see if we can scratch that. Need a better tool for scratching. Let's see what we got here. Let's get out a tweezer, some type. Let's do this tweezer. That looks good. Do a little scratching here. Nothing fancy. It looks good. Let's get a little flux on there. And we're just going to solder that. Get some flow on there. There we go. Some solder on there. Oh, while we're at it, we might as well get a little bit more on that. A little bit of flux. Get some solder on there. Looks good. Okay. Good. And good. Beautiful. Okay, now let's see here. So these are 3.2 to 3.4 volt. Color is CC. Okay. All right. Let's put it in diode mode. And let's just give this a check. was illuminated. You probably can't see it because of my light, but illuminated. Okay. Spin it. Yep, illuminating. Alright, so if it's illuminating this way, illuminating, okay. It goes in this way. Just like that. Alright, let's put a little bit more flux on there. Little flux, a little bit of flux. We'll clean it up good after. Some solder. Okay, let's see if we can get that in place. Let's get a tweeze from that. Looks good. Solder on there. Looks like it's soldered. Let's clean that up. Now, we might be replacing all of them. I'm not sure these are the exact ones we require, but we will see. No big deal. Figure it out. Beautiful. See if we can get all that rest of that flux off of there. I'm gonna test real quick on it. Okay. Let's use our voltage injection tool, and we're gonna give this okay. Let's get some probe it. So looks like the long dots are negative. So that should do it. All right, so let's do. We don't want to overdo it, so we got 1 volt right now. Let's see what we get with 1 volt, if anything. Nothing. Okay. Let's crank it. Why does this thing up? Oh, we didn't have it on. Yeah, we did. So we're gonna give it 15.6 volts is what I saw in the output, and we tested, so should get very bright. Did I lose it? What's going on and off? I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace all of them, because I think we have more than just one going bad. So let's do that. We'll replace all of them. Brand new LEDs. So let's do it. Then we'll try it as, let's just get flux on everything They were very bright at that voltage. I should turn it down. Alright. Wrong thing. Okay, we just applied some flux, and we're just going to go ahead and desolder. Each side. Not sure if it's non-leaded solder, but it's coming off, so I kind of doubt it. It's probably leaded. It's not coming off too hard, so. Need to get me a fume extractor here. One. It seems to me that there is something wrong with one of these LEDs still. So we're just going to replace all four with the brand new. We got tons of brand new ones here that we ordered here. Good. Solder. Need a fume extractor. Don't need to be breathing that garbage. That's good. And last one here. Oops. Good. This last one. That should do for that. solders and one at a side, one at a time, one side at a time. Just pulling it up. There we go. And this side. There we go. All right, they're out. Now let's go ahead and clean up. You know what? Let's not clean up until we put the new ones on. Okay, let's get 3 out. Oop. Oops. Got it. We'll use it. And one more. Okay, now in diode mode, and let's test to make sure we put them on correctly. Okay, so positive. Yep, that one's correct. So that's ready. Nope. Yep, there we go. Okay, one's ready. Nope, and yes. Yes, yes. Okay. Turn that off. And I think that we'll just put them up there. Let's do one at a time. I don't want to mess it up. And just a touch more flux if we can. Get that flow that we're looking for. Get some solder on that tip. Done. And done. How did this one move over so much? It's fine. No one's going to care. Let's see if there's enough solder in that area. Yeah, it's fine. We got plenty of flow. No problem. It's a good solder joint, good solder joint, good solder joint. A little more solder on there. And bing, bang, bada, boom. And bing, bang, bada, boom. Good joints. All right, let's clean up. Flux off. Looks good. Looks good. Bum, bum, bum. I think a cotton ball will do that a little bit better, to be honest. Let's try that. Some isopropyl on that cotton ball. Okay, looks good. Nice. Okay. Let's try our voltage. Okay, ground is this side. We're at 15.6 volts, which is the output of the unit. Looks much better. Looks good, huh? So, let's see how it dims down. So let's go, let's see, can I do this and turn it down? Oh wow. Just hold it a little better. There we go. Don't do that. I went over a little bit. That's at 10 volts, 10.4 volts. Cool. Good. Looks good though. No more problems. All right. Should be all set. All right. Thanks guys for watching, and PlayStations are next. I'm gonna mess around with a couple PS3s. We're gonna do a NOR replacement.